manifest. There is few things related to NFC. So min version to use peer-to-peer 2.3.3 is SDK version 10. Then you have to get the permission to use the NFC. Then, if you are going to put it on a market and it's only NFC based application that has no meaning without NFC, you have to put this line there that tells to the market that the phone you are showing this application must have NFC. And here is the intent filter for the getting the URL from the browser. If you are interested in later seeing the intent filter on the manifest, I can show you it on this computer later. So this is always great to test live these things. Even that's simple. So here is the NFC peer-to-peer app. I started. Here is eBay web page. Select the URL, share page.
Already NFC was just not software enabled. I heard something like that.
The C7 Nokia,
yeah.
It had the hardware and it was enabled in Symbian Anna upgrade.
Okay.
Before that, there was some Series 40 phones, but now they said that every Symbian Belle phone will have NFC.
Okay.
But is it only that reading, writing? Does it have peer-to-peer card emulation mode? No information. We just have to test it.
Okay.
Functionality question. You started the NFC app on one phone and then let it receive the web page. Is it that you can't like make one phone share the URL and then the app starts itself on the other phone? Is there something about this?
I made this application this week. I tried, actually, I will try it again. That because it is sending NDEF message, it should start the program even it comes through peer-to-peer. On Nokia phones, the peer-to-peer can't start the applications. It's by design there. But we can see what happens. Okay, here is the web page. I will share it. And this is on a home screen. What happens? There comes the list of applications that can handle that in there. But actually, if you, so this is production level code. But if you look up that video from the main Google I/O, Aalto NFC, they have applications that other phone is on a home screen. They just touch and there opens up another application. So it is doable, but I don't know is their software version different from this, or is it available for us to do? So I don't know.
One question. In addition to Google Wallet, can you name 3 other NFC applications? You showed the NFC technology, but I wonder what applications can it be used?
The NFC?
Yes.
In general?
In general, yes.
Well, whatever comes into your mind. But for example, classic examples are transferring your business card information, a V card, writing telephone number in a tag, then touching with other phone, and it makes the call, sending an SMS, making Facebook friend connection, it's doable, making some other kind of friend connection. I have to. Okay.
No, it's not a question. I want to add because we were in Oulu, Andrew Aalto was in Oulu, and he was giving a presentation about NFC, and you had one example that you left out now, but I'll remind you. It was for blind people to take medicines, so they need someone to give them the medicine. They don't know which pills to take from the wardrobe, so you can use NFC tags, and the phone can tell you, can read you actually what is the medicine. So I think these kind of applications are very, very useful. Yeah.
Your own authorization code in the phone, and the reader on the lock will check that do you have permission to open this lock at this time. So you don't need to have tags here. It's more like device to device talking.
Okay, so can we take a last question, or someone have more questions? There. Okay. You need to get speak up.
NFC on Android devices. Do most of them have the hardware on?
At the moment, only one.
Okay.
Actually, at South Korea, Samsung is.
The S2.
Yeah.
There is a second version of the Samsung Galaxy S2 which has NFC in it. Like the European one and the US doesn't have, but there is in South Korea.
They were telling last summer that maybe it comes sometime as a special order on Europe that you can get. But HTC has tweeted that they are putting NFC. I think few other Android phones are coming.
The bus cars that have Helsinki, they are NFC. But how is is private encryption, or is it using some protocol? Do you happen to know?
I don't know.
But
Sorry.
you can. Yeah. Sorry.
I got a program that reads them.
Sorry.
I have a program that reads them.
That
it's
reads them.
slightly different, but you can get it on the phone.
But is it is a protocol that they implemented, or is it open?
I don't
Because I would like to know.
I'm trying. Me and a person I know are trying to decrypt the.
So it's
Can you see
private.
the value that you have in the car?
So it's private encryption.
Apparently yes, and I haven't heard anybody has opened it, but that could be solved.
No, I'm just curious because if I program myself something, I would like to know if I can encrypt something and if there is some protocol already.
There are ways to encrypt your NFC tags,
But
and
it's-
you can protect them also from.
Okay.
There is.
You can also encrypt your information before it and then transfer.
Yeah, but I would like to know if the NFC protocol has something in it itself.
NFC itself, it doesn't have any encryption. So you have to do on the application.
Okay.
And you're not going to get an answer out of HSL. I tried to contact them because we wanted to use the bus cards as keys, and they said, no, you can't hack our system. Those people. So we were just like, no, we don't want to hack it. We just want to like read the card and get the ID number and see is it like an ID number that we know. In which case, no, we don't want to touch it.
More questions? Or?
One quick question. About the power consumption, is it intensive if you read tags or hours?
On the Google I/O talk, if I remember correctly, they said that the power consumption on the NFC is as much as the screen on the home